Hi friends, I recently had an issue with our broadband or NBN connection once again. This has nothing to do with our local LAN, but NBN were having some external problem. In the past when this has happened, I've used different solutions to get temporary internet connection, but not entirely satisfactory ones. On previous occasions I've used either USB tethering or Wi-Fi hotspot. USB tethering only works for one computer unless you set up internet sharing, and Wi-Fi hotspot only works where devices are Wi-Fi capable. It did not cover every device on my local LAN. For me, the best solution I've found is an Ethernet dongle on my mobile phone and plugging the WAN side of my router into this. This meant that my whole LAN worked as normal, with no LAN configuration changes required. To do this, you will require an Ethernet dongle that will be plugged into your mobile phone or cell phone. Simply plug the dongle into your phone, enable Ethernet tethering, which may be an option that only shows once you've got an Ethernet dongle plugged in. Remove the WAN cable from your broadband box and plug it into the Ethernet dongle. It's simple. These days most mobile cell phone plans seem to have enough data to make this practical, and the USB Ethernet dongle are not all that expensive. I hope you find this helpful.